Kids, I have started again. Please join me back. Join me back, kids.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, sorry. I don't know. Maybe on the laptop I have only limit of 40 minutes. Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So we were on the worksheet, actually, this one, no?
2.
Yeah. You can see? You can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Kids need to come. I have to wait for them.
Miss, keep disconnecting.
I don't know.
Everyone. I don't know what's going on. It's again and again disconnected. Okay.
But my connection is strong at the moment.
Teacher, my network is very slow. Sometimes it is being exit and sometimes it is.
Okay, please everybody join me again back who did not come. I am waiting for others to come. Let me message in the group again so we can finish this worksheet. Okay, yes, 3 people are waiting for me. Nada, Usman, Vania. Okay.
There's so many people message in the group.
Yes, beta.
That
That's why I repeatedly say, please come fast. Even if I disconnect also, you should join me again.
maybe this one, teacher, maybe you again join it back. How you did now?
Okay, let us start. I think maximum kids has joined me. How many are there? 11.
Inaya did not join. Wait, Inaya.
I
joined. Okay.
Naya is there? Okay, I was going to message Naya. So kids, I was on this question. Okay, most of you are saying that you know the answers very well, but still I have to explain that we should know the table of 7 because it's denominator. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7
14,
threes are
21.
21.
21.
We should know the nearest number of the numerator.
28.
Okay?
28.
No, we don't need. We don't need to write bigger
21,
than this.
teacher, 21.
Yes, 21.
21 will go.
So the denominator will always remain the same. See, this is denominator, it will remain the same. And we need to read this on which number the nearest answer came.
3.
3.
3 are 21.
So 3 will come as a whole number and 23 minus
7.
21 is equal to what? How many?
2.
2. So this 2 will come here. Okay, this is a normal fraction we had changed into mixed fraction. Okay, the 2 digits. Sorry?
You have to write
You need to complete this worksheet. I am completing the worksheet today, okay? So,
okay.
can't hear you. Muhammad, my connection is complete. I don't know. Okay. Now what is
Teacher,
there?
maybe his mic is not good.
Yes, speaker or sometime reconnecting and disconnecting also causes an issue.
Yes,
Okay,
that for me also.
7 multiplied by 3 plus 2. This is the formula to change again this mixed fraction back into the normal fraction. For normal to mixed, we had this formula or this method, and from this mixed fraction to normal, we will have this one. Okay, 7 multiplied by,
Miss,
yes, beta.
I didn't understand the first.
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
I didn't understand the first answer.
This one you want me to do it again for you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, whenever you have to change any fraction into mixed fraction, okay, what you need to do, you should know first the denominator table. Okay, the table of denominator, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. You should write or note, or you should remember till nearest number of numerator. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I will not write full, I will write nearest number, that is
14 and 7.
Okay.
14.
It will come on which
Answer is
number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
7.
2 sevens are 14. Okay.
14.
Got me, beta? Now,
Yes.
you will
Yes.
write denominator as same. This denominator as same as it is written in your question. And 14. 7, sorry. 7 is the answer on which you got 14. Okay, you will write as a whole part. Plus, which number, now how you will remember that what number to write over here. From this numerator, you will minus this answer.
14.
Okay,
Yes.
you will minus this answer. 14. Sorry, I am not able to write it. Okay, 14. So that means it's 1. 15 minus 14 is 1.
Equal to 1.
This one will come here. Okay? We have got this one. So, everybody have noted down?
Yes.
I can clear the board? I can clear the board?
Yes. Yes.
Sure, beta?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Okay. Let us go for the last part. Okay, change to improper fraction. Now, in the first question, second part, we had changed the, let me admit Ashal. Okay, from normal fraction to mixed, and now from mixed to, we have to go to the normal fraction. This is also very easy, very easy. So what we are going to do is, okay. Now here, obviously, you should know the tables. Okay, you should know the tables. Okay, 4
Yes.
are
4.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are
12.
12. Okay,
12
12 plus 1
1
is what?
is equal to 13.
13.
13 by 3.
The answer is denominator will be the same, and sorry. Denominator will be same, and 12 plus 1, 13 will come up. Okay?
13 by 3.
13 by 3. Now, can anybody tell me what fraction is this?
Yes.
What?
Improper
fraction. Improper because our numerator is bigger than denominator. Okay? Clear? Clear? Everybody clear? If you need to ask anything, ask again.
We will do like that for.
Yes, in your mental math, see, always whenever you're doing, divide your one side of the page into a small working area. I always used to say that this is a working area. You should always do working area so your teacher or your examiner should know that you are working mentally on this question. This is the actually method you can do in your mental, like mental maths as well as written also. This will make your marks grow. Means sometimes teachers give good marks if they see you working like this. Okay.
Okay.
So 4 multiplied by 3 is
12.
12 plus
12.
1, 13. 13 will go as a numerator
30.
and 3 is denominator. It will remain.
Improper.
This became an improper fraction. Now let us go with this. 9 multiply by 11. So instead of writing the full table of 9, it's very easy. 9 10 plus 90. 9 11 plus
99.
9 plus 1. What becomes?
100.
Very good.
100 by 9.
100. Very good. Great kids. So the denominator will be same and 100 will come up. Again, what fraction is this?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Mashallah, this worksheet has been sorted and solved. I hope you all got the concepts of. And did you learn anything new in this fraction today?
Yes.
What
maybe.
was the new thing? The method? Did you ever try
yes.
this method?
Teacher, we actually learned the method in grade 4.
Yes, there are actually different methods, but some use
Yes.
others, some use the mental math, and some work on the paper, some don't work on the paper. So, mashallah, at least if you are learning it in 2 to 3 different ways, you can choose your way. Which one is easy for you? Which one is very fast? So, I know this is the best method and easiest one. That's why I do this.
Yes.
Okay. So, the worksheet, I can clear it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we have now completed the worksheet of maths and science both. Okay.
Yes.
Now what we are going to do, we had now social studies. Question number 1. Page number 39. Open page number 39.
Maths. Teacher, maths.
No, beta. Social studies.
Oh.
Done.
Teacher, 29.
I will open for you. Wait, beta.
39.
Can you see the worksheet?
No.
To read. No. No, teacher, I want to read.
You cannot see my worksheet again today.
Yes, we cannot see.
Teacher, I want to read.
Beta, 1 minute. Can you see my worksheet? This one?
No.
No. No, miss. No.
1 minute. I will start again.
Teacher, I want to read.
Okay, beta.
Yes.
Now I can see.
Okay.
Now I can see.
Okay, beta. The first of all, we have to revise the vocabulary words which were yesterday. You were not able to see it. Okay, I want all of you to be attentive in the chat.
Teacher, I want to read. I want to read. Teacher, page number 29.
No, this sheet first.
I cannot see. Miss, I have done the vocabulary words.
Yes, beta. I just want
Teacher, I want to read.
Okay, beta. Suleiman, give me 5 minutes. First, we will finish this. These. Okay. I will allow you to read. Okay.
Thank you,
Go in the chat boxes, everybody. Go in the chat boxes.
Okay, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
See, you can see the chat box as well.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
The first word which I am going to ask you is policies. Please write fast. Policies. Policies.
Policies?
Policies.
Done. British Mughal Empire.
Very good, Abdullah Haris. Good job. Good job, beta. Inaya, good job. Ashal, first write policies, then policies. Okay. Good job, everyone. Vania, Hajra. Good, everyone.
And second one, teacher?
Ajwa.
Yes.
Good job. The other word, I want you to write the meaning of executed. Right? The meaning of executed. If you remember. Anybody remember the meaning of executed? Very good. To kill someone, to hang them, to shoot them, or to abolish them. Abolish means to completely damage, okay?
Okay.
The other word is provoked. I want oral answer. Provoked. Good answer, Suleiman. Good job. Provoked. Can anybody give me the answer orally? What is the meaning of provoked? I have given you a very good example yesterday. If your small sister, what does she do? Annoys you? Anybody remember? No? Provoke means किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना, to make someone angry, to make someone push and do some decisions, to change their decisions, okay? Are you hearing me?
Okay.
Okay.
Provoke. Teacher, what means provoke?
Provoke
To kill someone?
Yeah.
अभी तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा, देखो।
किसी को जबरदस्ती इरादा बदलने की कोशिश करना, किसी को उकसाना. Like your younger sister will again and again annoy you कि मुझे आइसक्रीम चाहिए, I want ice cream. She will keep provoking you. Or if you are quiet,
Okay, miss.
somebody provoke you and you will suddenly shout. तो उस एक्शन को, ये वर्ब है, उस एक्शन को प्रोवोक कहते हैं. या the easiest meaning according to our lesson is Allama Iqbal wrote so many thought provoking poems. जिसका मतलब है कि वो poems पढ़ने के बाद after listening them or reading them, the Muslims of subcontinent started to gather and fight for their nation. Okay? Got it?
Yes.
Good job. I want spelling of truth.
What?
What? Vania? Vania, I want to hear spelling of truth. Yes, beta. Vania?
Teacher, you want to write this in copy?
No, beta. ये already मैंने आपको दिए हुए हैं. Yesterday I have sent you this in Zoom class. You have to just learn and understand. And this was not that much homework. I gave 3 homework. I hope anybody have touched it. Did anybody do the homework I gave?
Ami, yes.
Please take the
Spelling of troops.
What?
Usman, Faisal, Shafiq, Ashal, you all are quiet, beta. Why? What is the reason? Okay. I wanted answer.
Miss, I'm not quiet.
Vania, you did not answer me, beta. Spelling of troop. Good. Good job. Thank you.
T-R-O-O-S.
Huzaifa, Ashal, Haris.
TROOPS.
Troops. Very good. Vania, very good. Ashal, Huzaifa and Abdullah Haris, can you write the spelling of territory?
What?
Territory.
Yeah, what?
Miss, we'll have 4 o'clock this on Zoom class also.
Inshallah, yes, Miss Shumaila will take your class as well. Okay, territory, Inaya, very good. Nada, Faisal, Ashal, my quiet and mute kids, come on, talk to me and write something. Good job. Suleiman, very good. Vania, mashallah, good job. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the meaning of established?
Make something? Yeah, establish.
Good job. Who gave me the answer? Faisal, Shafiq. What is the meaning of established? Publish, to make, to grow, to build, okay? Something new. From 0 to, Abdullah Haris, your territory spelling is wrong, beta.
I know.
Write again.
I wrote double Y.
Okay, good. No problem. You can write again. Okay, so kids, we have done with this. Okay, the spelling, mashallah, most of you are very good in the spellings and the meaning. So mera jo maqsad tha, that is done for this. Now we will go for the question number 1. Content review, page number 39. Social studies, page number 39. Ajwa, thank you for writing independent. Thank you so much, beta.
Sure.
Yes, beta. Okay, now we are going over this place. You can see. Okay. This is the question.
What's mean?
Why did the British originally came to India? Only the one question we will do today, and one I will give you homework. Why did the British originally came to India? Anybody has the answer?
Because of India and Pakistan.
Because of company.
Because the land was fertile and nice.
Teacher.
Yes, yes, beta. Who is this beautiful little baby?
Teacher.
Yes.
Goes to fight answer. Teacher.
Yes, beta. Ask me.
Teacher.
Yes, yes.
Because of fight. Because of fight.
No, not that much. Also, little near there. It's little near.
Wanted the land because it was fertile and nice.
Company.
Miss, I think for trade.
Yes. Who gave this answer?
Yes.
The actual answer is 1 minute. 1 minute. The actual answer is on
Page number 37.
37.
British came to India to trade with the
Yes, this is the answer. Very accurate answer that the British came to India to trade with the East. This is the correct answer. They did not ask anything else, so we don't need to ask anything, write anything.
Tell again. Teacher, tell again. Teacher ji, tell again.
The question on page number 39 said, why did British originally means at first? After they did so many things, but originally in the first place, why did they come to India? The answer is the British came to India to trade with the East. And in East, there were so many countries like subcontinent, Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. These all countries are counted in East. Okay? Suleiman, you want to read something? So please come and read with me.
Can I read this on the British rule?
Actually,
Teacher, please,
Suleiman was asking me, so I will give him a little bit chance to read from here.
Which page number 39?
Yes, no, page number, yes, 39, paragraph number 1 from here till here. Suleiman, read it. It's reading. I have already explained this lesson yesterday, so I will not explain, just for reading. Okay, come on, Suleiman, read.
From where to from where?
Beta, from the war of independence still broke out till here.
Okay.
Start.
Our British rule in India increased and finally in 1857 the independent Indians, Muslims and Hindus referred to other and orders and were blocked out the mentally.
Till here, Suleiman, till here. Suleiman, till here. I want other also want to read. Okay, I will repeat for you the mistakes you have done. Gradually. Okay, the first word is gradually. Increased. Indian.
1 minute.
Yes, beta.
I will dash the word. Underline
Yes,
the word.
you underline the word. The Indian gradually means ahista ahista, slowly slowly. Increase, बढ़ना, grow होना, बढ़ जाना. Finally, आखिरकार, at the end.
Word.
Muslims and Hindus refuse, इनकार करना, मना करना, saying no.
Okay.
Orders, हुक्म, अहकाम, तंबी.
Yes.
वार्निंग, वैसे तंबी को तो वार्निंग कहते हैं. सिविल वॉर, अंदर खाना जंगी, यानी आपके घर में अगर कभी बहन भाइयों में लड़ाई हो जाए, that is a kind of.
Teacher, what?
Yes, beta.
Tell again.
Civil war means the war which is inside your country or inside your home.
Miss, can I read now?
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. I was explaining him. Broke out, फैल जाना. Same like when fire break out. Okay. Okay, beta. Come on, Vania. Now you want to read it? You can read, beta.
Teacher, my reading is good or I will.
Yeah,
Okay.
You are trying very good. Mashallah. Keep trying every day. Whenever you come, I will allow you to read with me. Okay.
The meaning
Good job. Please now, can you start reading, Vania, from here?
word to it was first. What followed was a ruthless
Campaign.
campaign of punishment and revenge by the British against the native people of India.
Good.
Muslim before the
Board.
brunt of this because the British believed that the war had been provoked by them. Hundreds were executed, the rest were completely sidelined.
Okay.
When it came to education and employment, they were not given the same opportunities as were given to Hindus and Sikhs. The gulf between the
Rulers.
and the Muslim subjects was immense.
Very good. Okay, Vania. Thank you so much. Your reading was perfect. There were small 2 to 3 mistakes like campaign word and the word sideline and unemployment. But only 2 to 3 words. You had a little bit confusion, but very good. You tried very, very well. Who is the third one to read the last paragraph?
Me.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. Everyone read one line, please. The first one who is there.
Miss
Who want to read from here till history? One line.
I. Miss
Okay, start.
Despite the apparent defeat of the natives, the war proved to be a turning point in the
Point. In Indian history.
Yes.
Turning point. Okay, who was this? Hajra? Hajra was reading? Okay, who is going to read this?
Me?
Okay, read, beta.
Me?
No, the other, who wanted to read? Hajra wanted to read?
No, teacher.
Why, teacher? Hajra, why you will not read? Read now, I want you to read. Come on, try.
The British
Monarchy. No problem. Releasing the
brutality and high.
Ajwa, I will let you read the last lines, okay? The British monarchy releasing the brutality Brutality.
The East Indian Company closed it down in 1858.
Okay, good job. Now the last paragraph from day till 1947, Ajwa, you will read and I will sum up because again the class time is running out.
Shana.
Yes,
Miss,
Ajwa?
from where?
They.
They what is this, teacher?
Recognize, reorganize means
Reorganize the army, the financial system, and the administration in India. Thus began the British Raj, under which India was governmented directly from the London by
Viceroy
victorious who
represented the Queen,
the system of governance lasted till Pakistan and India gained independence in 1947.
Okay, very good. So today I have seen how many of you can read little better, and had so many pronunciation mistakes. So I hope the words you all are having issue can underline, and in our next session we can revise those words as well. Okay. All of you today can underline the words in which you are having issue to read. So in the next session, we will revise them. Okay? Clear? So we have done all the important things. Our both worksheets are completed. I want you to submit the worksheets in the group, and so we can help others as well. And the other thing, your homework, I want you to submit the homework. Question number 1 and question number 2. List the problems that lead to the War of Independence. These are 2 questions you need to make from your side and write. One has done been today for you, and the second one you have to try from this paragraph. Okay? If you are not able to do it, don't stress yourself. You can see down, if you see this one. If you see the worksheet down, I have already posted the answers also. See here.
Mr.
Yes,
Miss,
beta?
you can 1 minute.
Class now finished after this class
Yes,
finished?
beta. My class is done already. So the kids.
Miss,
Yes, beta. Any questions?
no.
4 o'clock, Miss Shumaila will come for you for English. So prepare yourself for English. She already has given the schedule in Zoom class group. Okay.
Okay.
So I will take a leave now. I hope you all had enjoyed today's session and understood the math concept, finished the science worksheet very well, described. And any questions?
No.
Sure? I can go?
Yes.
Bye.
Okay, my baby.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Have a nice
Teacher, your
day.
class is
Mashallah.
your class is very good.
Thank you. You all are very good. Okay.
Interesting also.
What? What?
You do very fun.
I do very fun. If I will be strict, you will not stay with me. You will run out, okay? So I should be
Miss,
Mazaya. Okay, beta. So have a nice day. Enjoy your.
We enjoy with you.
Thank you so much. I enjoy with you as well. Have a blessed time. Have a good break. And 4 o'clock, you all should come again. Take a break. Eat your and have a healthy lunch. Okay?
Now break time.
Break for second class. Miss Smaila will come for English class. Okay?
Okay.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, Miss.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.